Buchenwald stands as a haunting reminder of a dark chapter in history, where resilience clashed with unimaginable suffering. Surrounded by the dense Thuringian forest, the camp's bleak remnants echo the cries of millions who endured its brutal realities. The barbed wire fences once contained hopes and dreams, now replaced by silence and reflection. Within its confines, tales of courage emerged as prisoners faced relentless hardship. Daily struggles against inhumane conditions sparked the spirit of resistance, symbolizing the unyielding human will amidst despair. The memorial site now serves as a testament to their struggle and survival. Visitors walk along the path of memory, feeling the weight of each step while absorbing the stories etched in the stone. Buchenwald educates future generations about the past, reminding us of the importance of remembrance to prevent history's darkest moments from repeating.